Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to make a group chat on iPhone iMessage. Follow these easy steps to easily create a iMessage group chat on your iPhone. First of all, we have to enable iMessage. So go to your iPhone settings, scroll down until you see the message settings. Open messages and here enable iMessage. Once it's turned on, tap on send and receive and here select your number or your Apple ID to send and receive your iMessages. Once done, now go to your messages apps and now to create a new group chat, tap on this compose icon at the top right and in this to field we have to add our contacts to create a new group chat. Tap on this plus icon and select contacts one by one. You will be able to select multiple contacts. Once you selected, now tap on this text message box and write here a random message and send the message and you will see your group has been successfully created. So this is my group chat. Now to customize your group chat, tap on this icon at the top, tap on change name and photo and now you can select a emoji for your group photo or you can go to your gallery and from your gallery you can select a photo for the group chat. You can also add a filter to the photo and here you can add a name for the group chat. Tap on done and that's it. This is how we can easily create a group chat on iPhone iMessage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.